The Indian Navy has made a significant decision. They are set to acquire the TAPAS drone. This comes despite known performance issues. The move highlights the Navy's commitment to indigenous technology. It also underscores their long-term strategic vision. The acquisition is seen as a bold step towards self-reliance in defense. This decision has generated considerable interest in defense circles. The TAPAS, which stands for Tactical Airborne Platform for Aerial Surveillance, is a medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle. Developed by India's Defense Research and Development Organization, TAPAS represents a major leap for India's indigenous drone program. The Navy's decision to proceed with the acquisition despite its teething problems reflects a strategic choice. They choose to nurture indigenous technology for long-term gains. The Navy's endorsement provides a much-needed boost to the project. It also signals the importance of perseverance in defense development. The decision is expected to have a ripple effect. It will encourage further investment and innovation in the Indian drone industry. This move signifies the Navy's confidence in the potential of TAPAS. It is poised to become a critical asset in enhancing maritime security. The Navy's decision is not merely an acquisition, it's a statement of intent. It signals India's ambition to be a leader in drone technology. The TAPAS program, with the Navy's backing, is set to propel India's defense capabilities into the future. This move is keenly watched by regional powers and global defense players alike. The Indian Navy has a vast area of responsibility. It includes the Indian Ocean region. This region is witnessing growing activity. This includes maritime trade, naval exercises, and unfortunately, even piracy. The Navy requires constant surveillance to protect national interests. This is where TAPAS comes into play. The TAPAS drone is ideally suited for maritime surveillance. It can fly for long hours, covering vast distances. Its advanced sensors can detect and track surface ships. They can even identify potential threats. This capability is crucial for the Indian Navy. It allows them to monitor activities in the Indian Ocean region effectively. Beyond traditional surveillance, TAPAS can play a vital role in other maritime operations. This includes search and rescue missions. Its long endurance and advanced sensors can locate ships and people in distress. This capability is invaluable in the vast expanse of the Indian Ocean. TAPAS can be a lifeline in times of maritime emergencies. The drone's surveillance capabilities extend to intelligence gathering. It can discreetly monitor activities in sensitive areas. This provides valuable information for maritime domain awareness. The Navy can then use this information to make strategic decisions. By deploying TAPAS, the Navy can enhance its operational effectiveness. It will also strengthen India's maritime security posture. The TAPAS project has not been without its share of challenges. The program, initiated in the early 2000s, faced delays and technological hurdles. Initial prototypes experienced performance issues. This raised concerns about the drone's capabilities. The setbacks led to questions about the project's viability. One of the main challenges was achieving the desired endurance. Initial versions of the drone fell short of the intended flight duration. This limited its operational range and effectiveness. The development team had to overcome technical obstacles. This included optimizing fuel efficiency and engine performance. These efforts were crucial to enhance the drone's endurance. Another hurdle was the integration of sophisticated sensors and payloads. The drone's surveillance capabilities relied heavily on these systems. Ensuring their seamless operation was critical. This involved overcoming technical complexities. It also required collaboration between various defense agencies and private contractors. The process was time-consuming and demanding. Despite the initial setbacks, the DRDO persevered. They continued to refine the design and improve the drone's performance. The agency conducted numerous test flights. Each test yielded valuable data. This data helped in identifying and rectifying technical glitches. The development process was iterative. Each iteration brought the TAPAS closer to its intended capabilities.